Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this very easy peasy summer nail art look of watermelon. So let's get started. Start with applying a base coat on all your nails. Apply 2 coats of this shade of green on your thumb and pinky finger. Then apply 2 coats of this shade of mint green on your ring finger. Apply 2 coats of a pinkish red nail paint on your index finger and the middle finger. Then using a fine tip nail art brush, create triangles on your ring finger. Try to create these triangles using the nail paint that you applied on your middle finger. You can do as shown in the video. Then using a dark green nail paint, create fine lines on the edges of the watermelons. You have to use the same nail paint to create this watermelon shape on your middle finger. Using a white nail paint, create a fine line beneath the green part. Then with a black nail paint and toothpick, make fine dots on your ring finger and middle finger to mimic the seeds of watermelon. On your middle finger, make slightly bigger dots to make it look like watermelon seeds and elongate them using the fine side of the toothpick. Using a Q-tip dipped in nail paint remover, clean all the edges of your finger. Then top all of your nails with a layer of top coat and your watermelon nail art look is ready. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can connect with me on my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.